Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to automatically respond to Facebook Messenger with ChatGPT. So it's pretty simple. We're going to use Zapier with this. So to use AI to respond to Facebook messages, you will have to create your own Zap from scratch without any coding knowledge, but it's simple. So the first step is setting up your Facebook Messenger trigger. So right here, you will have to select Facebook Messenger for your trigger app, basically in app events, and new message to send page in the event. From there, you will have to connect your Facebook Messenger account already. If you haven't, you go do that, sign in, and then give permission. Just say yes to all the given access to Zapier for the Facebook page. Press done, and then next select the Facebook page that you wanted to manage from the Zap. So right here, just select the page, press next. From there, you will have to test trigger it. So from there you will have to test it out if it works. So try doing a actual comment into a page in your page basically, and let's see if it works. And if it works, basically it's good. So you'll have to set up the chat gpt message prompt. Basically you have to get the api keys from your own chat gpt. Remember, you can only get api keys if it's paid, if I'm not mistaken. Create a new secret key, get the api key for that basically. And then right here you will have to go back to the Zap editor, and then you will have to just get the new action step and then select chat gpt conversation, click on account. Now you have to do a basic prompt engineering by yourself right here. So here's an example of a prompt that you can use basically for chat gpt in its trigger for responding. So you can pause this video and check it out. You can copy and paste that basically. So once you have done that, you will have to select your own model and the user message, of course, right here. And then click test action to know if it works again. Set up your Facebook Messenger response after that also. So you want to go back to the template that you just made, and then you go to search and select your Facebook Messenger for action app and send message from page in the event after action. So from there, you will have to select the same page in your Facebook Messenger trigger that you just did. So you select the recipient ID field basically and map sender from your Facebook Messenger, clicking in the field and then selecting the sender PS ID in this receipt ID, and in text right here you will do the reply. From there, it's just a text test action again to see if it works, and basically you're done. So there you go guys, that is how you do it, and this is also given by Zapier, which makes it more easy for you to understand. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.